Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Honor Magic 6 Lite to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, you need to set it up. To do that, click on the same options in both devices. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now, or just close it right away by hitting OK. Now click on your device's screens and finally select Send at the bottom left corner of Honor. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Honor, using all of those categories at the top, you can select all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple of them, just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. And just got it, in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and click on Receive. If you prefer to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Then close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then just wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!